In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grant accountant access to QuickBooks Online, whether you're new to QuickBooks Online or simply looking to expand your current team's access. This guide will walk you through the process in simple steps, making sure your accountant gets access swiftly and securely. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the QuickBooks Online homepage. Fire up your favorite web browser and type in the URL. You'll be prompted to log in using your credentials, so be sure you have those on hand. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is where all the magic begins, as QuickBooks has structured everything in a user-friendly way to help you manage your business finances more efficiently. Next, look to the left-hand navigation panel and locate the option labeled My Accountant. Clicking on this will direct you to the section designated for managing accountant permissions. It's intuitive, designed to streamline the collaboration between business owners and accounting professionals, ensuring you both have targeted access to the right features. Moving forward, you'll see an option labeled Add Another Accountant. Don't let the term another throw you off. This step is essential even if you're adding your first accountant. Selecting this opens up a window dedicated to entering your accountant's details. Here's where you'll need their email address at the ready. Make sure you've double-checked this email for accuracy to avoid any mishaps with the invitation delivery. After you've entered the pertinent information, direct your attention to the Accounting Firms section. Clicking here will allow you to manage the firms associated with your account. It's an organized way to give access based on your diverse business needs, particularly useful if you're coordinating with multiple specialists. Once inside the Accounting Firms section, you'll notice a prominently displayed button labeled Invite. Clicking this will finalize the process. QuickBooks will send an invitation directly to your accountant's email, and once they accept, they'll gain access to collaborate effectively with you. Double-check that this email doesn't end up in their spam folder, as email filters can sometimes be a bit too aggressive. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully invited your accountant to QuickBooks Online. This seamless process ensures that your accountant has the necessary access to support your financial management needs, while also keeping your data securely organized. Keeping an open line of communication throughout this process is key, ensuring that the invitation is accepted promptly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on getting the most out of QuickBooks Online.